What you want to do, turn off all the music, get into a quiet room, do something like this. You just want to hear the sound of your rope hitting the floor, and you want to keep this beat like constant. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back, guys, for another fire skipping tutorial. And once again, you're at the home of Jump Rope Fitness and Lifestyle. Got a quick 2-minute tutorial to show you guys how to improve your timing with your skipping ropes, right? We're going to try and get you guys to get your timing on point. And when I mean timing, it's basically when the rope gets close to your feet, when you have to jump, and you want to get that as efficient as possible. As beginners, what happens, people, is obviously when you first pick up a rope, you're going to feel like you need to kind of jump. You know, sometimes I've seen this happen, right? You're going to have to feel like you're going to have to jump to clear the rope. You know, a little bit of mini bounces in between each revolution. You just feel like this cable, right now I'm using the legacy rope, which is a heavy rope, but you feel like the cable is super thick for some reason. And we've all done it, I've been there, and you feel like you have to jump inches and inches off the floor, right? So we're going to improve this timing with a really simple drill, right? Now, I'm already assuming that your rope length is all fixed up. You've checked out all my videos beforehand, loads of videos on rope length and how to sort that out. But you need to make sure your rope length is sorted, because for this drill, this is why it's going to work. So as you now rotate this rope, okay, you want to start listening to the sounds of this rope clipping the floor. Now, with the rope length being on point, your rope should be only like snapping the floor, right? It should be just clipping the floor, minimal friction, minimal drag. What you want to do, turn off all the music, get into a quiet room, do something like this. You just want to hear the sound of your rope hitting the floor, and you want to keep this beat like constant. Got a delivery coming, good timing. What you got for me? You want to say hello to the YouTube family?
Hello, YouTube family.
That's the legend Joe. Cheers. I knew that was going to happen. Let's get these angles fixed back up, bruv. The professionalism on this channel is insane. Love that. That's why we love Nathan, man. Gets that framing right. Imagine, quiet room, listen to some beats with your rope, right? Now you want this beat, you want this clip to happen at a constant speed. Now what happens with people's timing, and the reason why they trip up a lot of the times, like I said, they either jump too high, or when they're now trying to do kind of like different kind of moves, let's say we do a little side swing, which should look like this, they actually, like that, you know, it might be like, and then it looks all awkward, it looks all kind of like booky, like, looks like you're kind of trying too hard. We want this rope to now move around, constant speed, and listen to the sound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right, I'm just doing a little counting method there so you can understand. But your goal is to get these wrists firing and controlling this rope at a constant speed, so that you get that clip, doom, doom, doom. Yeah, it's like a constant beat. That way, when you're now doing your footwork, when you're kind of interchanging kind of like little patterns like this, little toe kickouts, your timing will instantly get better and better, just because you've now separated thinking too much about what your legs are doing. Because what happens is you think about too much what your legs are doing, that your wrists forget to kind of move, your wrists forget to sort of turn the rope, rotate the rope, and it all kind of gets a bit, you know, lost. You want this arc being really nice. You want this loop being really nice above your head. The moment you start to slow down with your wrists and it gets kind of offbeat, it gets all kind of like jaggedy and like doesn't look nice. So keep the wrist firing. And your timing, you see, like it just works well when you've got the beat moving to the rope. So just give that a go. Today I'm using a heavy rope. You could do this with speed ropes. You could do whatever kind of ropes, right? Mechanized, beaded. It just helps you, like I said, get a slicker action with the rope, slicker combinations, slicker transitions. Everything will move a lot more effortless, and you'll jump at the time you're supposed to jump, rather than jumping too early or tripping, simply because you know the beats of your rope, you know the rhythm of your arms, and it's all going to tie in and sync really good. Remember, guys, love you as always. Hit that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, we are and we'll always be the hottest fitness community now, growing around the world. We're taking over cardio, and we are backed up by the coolest skipping ropes as well, available online. Use those links down below. And we've got a massive restock coming at the end of the week as well, so be sure to catch that. And otherwise, follow me on my social media. Give this video a big like, that'd be really useful for me. I'll get more fire tutorials done for you people. So anyway, I'm gonna see you in the next video. So take care of yourself, skip treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.